Welcome to Homework Lib.
Hi. So in this question we have to show that a quadrilateral is a parallelogram. We'll say that the vertices are given. So consider vertex A with the coordinates 1, 4, B with the coordinates 0, 1, C with the coordinates 3, 1, D with the coordinates 4, 4. Now, using the distance formula, we find the distance between the segments. D is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. So therefore we get the length of AD as 3 using the same formula, length of BC as 3. So does the opposite sides are equal. Further, length of AB is root 10, which is also equal to length of DC. Again, the opposite sides are equal. So further, now we can say that finding the slope of the line, it can be said that slope M is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Slope of AD is 0. Slope of BC is 0. So the opposite sides AD and BC slopes are equal. So the lines are parallel. Further we get slope of AB is 3 is equal to the slope of DC. Opposite sides AB and DC slopes are equal. So the lines are parallel, and therefore we can say that quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram. I hope you have understood the solution. Thank you.